Hello Taurus, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star. So Taurus, this is your reading for the month of February 2021. Taurus, this is a general reading, so please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid, okay? So before we start, Taurus, let me tell you that I'm starting a series of who is coming towards you. This is what I'm going to do for every single zodiac sign once in a month, okay? So we are gonna see who's gonna come towards you, Taurus. Okay, so this may be a past person, this may be a new person, and what we are gonna talk in this video is that what is the current energy of the person who is coming towards you, what are their behavioral attributes, what are their personality traits, okay, what are their physical attributes. When I say physical attributes, I mean that what is their height, okay, what is their eye color, what is the skin color, what kind of hair do they have, okay, what is their clothing style, right? Okay, Taurus, so let's start, right? So spirits, tell me who is coming towards Taurus. Spirits, tell me who is coming towards Taurus. Tell me who is coming towards Taurus. Spirits, tell me who is coming towards Taurus. Right, so I'm going to pull out 3 cards and we will talk about what is the current energy. So we have Justice, 7 of Wands, and the Sun. Okay, so if we have to talk about the zodiac signs, I see a strong presence of fire sign over here, Taurus. So you may be dealing with Aries, Leo, Sag, Leo in particular, and I also see a presence of Libra with the Justice card. Right. So what I see over here is your person is trying to balance their life right now. Okay, your person is, especially with that 7 of Wands, I see that this person is focused on their spiritual growth. This person is focused on their spiritual awakening, and not just the spiritual awakening or the spiritual growth. This person is also trying to protect themselves from any kind of negativity that is surrounding them. Okay, this person has created a protective shield. So when I say that they have created a protective shield, what I mean is probably this person is aware that whom they should entertain in their life and whom they should not, what kind of situations are healthier for them, what situations are not healthier for them. Okay, I also see that there are some people or situations that are approaching your person's life and this person is unwelcoming them. Okay, so there are some specific people whom your person doesn't want them around. Okay, with the Justice, I clearly see that they are trying to balance their life. Okay, probably their life was imbalanced earlier. Okay, so they are trying to balance their emotional side, they are trying to balance their spiritual side, they're trying to balance their professional life, their career growth. Okay, so they are trying to create a balance, and I see this is a very strong combination of air and fire sign. Okay, a very strong air presence I can see over here. Definitely this person should be having Libra somewhere in their chart. Okay, because their focus entirely is about creating a balance, and Libra is all about creating a continuous balance in their life. Okay, and Libras, especially if there is an imbalance, they will go out of their way to create that balance in their life. They become restless if they see that there is not a balance in their life. Okay, and what is happening is because they are trying to create this balance in their life, they are ultimately being led towards the ultimate abundance. Okay, now this abundance is coming towards them by way of happiness, this abundance is coming towards them by way of material and financial abundance. Okay, but there is abundance coming their way. I see that number 11, 19 are very important over here. You may be seeing a lot of, so Taurus, you people may be seeing a lot of 11, you people may be seeing 111, you people may be seeing 717, you people may be seeing 177. Okay, I see that our number 19 and 11 should be of some sort of an importance over here. That's what I see. Yes. So they are, I also see that they are working hard towards their life goals. Okay, they are working very hard towards their life goals. And is love at the top of their mind right now? Love is not at the top of their mind. Their self growth is at the top of their mind right now, but that doesn't mean they are ignoring love, or that doesn't mean that they don't want love. Okay, because ultimately they want abundance, or they are going to get abundance from every single area, and that also represents abundance in terms of love, right? But they know for the fact that once they achieve that required balance, okay, once they achieve that level of awakening, then they will get the what is best for them. They know that, and what is the best is also in terms of love. So they are not worried about love right now. They are more concerned, not concerned, but they are focused on their own growth. Okay, they are focused on creating that required balance, right? All right, so let's see what are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Taurus. What are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Taurus? Okay, what are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Taurus? What are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Taurus? Okay, right. Also, one more thing, I sense that for majority of you Taurus, this is a new person. Okay, however, for some of you this is a past person who is trying to work on their own transformation, but for majority of you I sense that this is a new person. Okay, right. For as far as the behavioral attributes are concerned, we have King of Cups, we have Fool, and we have Four of Pentacles. Right. So, especially with that King of Cups and with the Four of Pentacles, what I see is this person doesn't open up very fast. Okay, they don't open up very fast. It takes them quite a long time to open up. Okay, but once they do open up, okay, then there is no stopping. But they take their required time to open up. Okay, and with that King of Pentacles, what I see is they are someone who is very decisive, a very strong and a determined personality. However, they don't show that, like it doesn't become visible to the outside world. Okay, so there may be times that outside people, external people who don't know them, they may be taking them for granted or something like that. Of course, they are a king, right? They never get misused, or they never get taken for granted. But there are at times when other people would want to take them for granted, okay, because of their exterior calmness. Okay, apart from that, I also see that they are a bit introvert. They are a bit introvert, they are a bit shy, and this person has gone through a lot, and that's why they are a bit that's why they are a bit reluctant to open up fast, or reluctant to share what is going on in their mind. So this person doesn't come across as expressive one. Okay, but this will be only at the start, till the time they are not comfortable with you. But once they become very comfortable, then there is no stopping. Trust me, then there is no stopping. Then it will be like, okay, you gotta stop. Okay, then Taurus, you will have to say like, no, I'm hearing a lot from you. This is what I'm hearing, and this is what I want to hear. Okay, this is what you're going to say to them later on. Okay, but this is going to be a very fun relationship. Okay, and this person will appear to be as a very mysterious initially. Okay, but once you get to know them, it will be fun to know this person. I'm also getting that this person is going to be very witty. This person is going to be very intelligent. Their sense of humor is going to be very awesome. Okay, like every minute this person will crack you up, and it's going to be a very fun relationship. Let me tell you that it's going to be a very fun relationship, and you both of you will enjoy each other's company a lot. That's what I see over here. Okay, even Taurus, initially even you will be reluctant to open up to them. Probably you people are mirroring one another's energy. That's what I see over here. I also see that both of you are probably business savvy. Okay, so your business acumen and your inclination towards doing something on your own is something that you people may collaborate later on in the future on this. Okay, so I see that both of you are risk takers in your life. Okay, and however, the risk taking happens only after a thorough research and a study that you people put in. Okay, but you do not mind taking a risk, okay, in your life. Okay, how much ever of a greater intensity of risk that would be. Okay, if you have that required research in your hand, and if you're confident enough, even if the research is not there, but if you're confident enough, both of you will take that leap of faith. Both of you are risk takers. Okay, I also see that there is a lot of business savviness over here. Okay, this person probably loves traveling a lot, and they may be traveling for their work reasons. Okay, this person has a lot of this person has been exposed to a lot of global cultures. That's what I'm getting over here. Okay, they have been exposed to a lot of different global cultures, and they have that a worldly wisdom. Okay, so Taurus, this person, I sense that there may be an age gap between you and this person. Okay, there is something related to the water body. This person likes the water bodies a lot, right? So let's see what are the physical attributes of this person. What are the physical attributes of the person who is coming towards Taurus? What are the physical attributes of the person who is coming towards Taurus? What are the physical attributes of the person who is coming towards Taurus? What are the physical attributes of the person who is coming towards Taurus? I'm going to pull 6 cards for this. Okay. So we have 2 of Swords, 3 of Swords, Page of Cups, 5 of Cups, 4 of Wands, Empress. Right. For some of you, Taurus, this person may be younger to you. Okay, for some of you, this person is younger to you and with a wide age gap. For some of you, this person is elder to you, again with a wide age gap, but I see that there is an age gap. Okay, but for some of you, this person, very few of you, I see that this person may be of similar age or with an age gap of 2 to 3 years. Okay, so as far as the physical attributes are concerned, okay, so physical attributes is like so talking about the skin color, I primarily see that this person is wheatish to white skin color. Okay, as they have very thick hair, and for males, this person, the height is somewhere between 5'8" to 5'11" or 6. For females, her height is somewhere between 5'4" to 5'8". Okay, and they may have colored their hair. That's what I see. If it's about hair, then the females, they may be having very thick hair. Okay, they may have shades, like they may have colored their hair, and if they are having long hair, then they usually prefer to put an updo. Okay, females, they may be having shoulder length or hair till their waist. That's what I'm getting. But the females, they like to experiment with their hairstyles. Okay, but the hair is something that is an outstanding feature of this person. Okay, hair and eyes are also very intense eyes. This person likes to gaze into the eyes of their love partner, and I may be of a, for majority of you people have a colored your person's eye will be colored eye, like it may be gray or hazel color. Okay, for rest of you it's black, obviously. But eyes are going to be a very striking feature for you people, for this person. Okay, most outstanding feature, facial feature, is going to be their eyes. So they are going to have very intense and piercing eyes. Okay, like very intense. and it will be like hypnotizing look. This person will have that, once they look into your eyes, you will feel like you're getting hypnotized. Okay, this person comes with really intense energies. Okay, really really intense energies. They have some aura, and once they like someone, okay, they really attract that person towards them with law of attraction. This person may be knowing a thing or two about law of attraction. Okay, but what I'm feeling is this person is very intense. Okay, I am really getting Scorpio vibes over here. Okay, they have a very intense aura, and you people's bedtime stories will be really exciting. Okay, this person may be having tattoo, and for females, the upper body part is if it's a female, she has a very healthy upper body part. Okay, I'm sure you are understanding what I'm talking about. And for female, that is something a very outstanding thing. Okay, if it's a male, he has a very fit body. I'll not say a muscular one or a bulky one, but fitness is to the point. Fitness is amazing over here. Okay, they may have broad shoulders and strong forearms. Okay, and I definitely see there are some tattoos over here. Okay, tattoos and piercings. uh yeah, some of them are into sports activities. They love sports, they love adventurous activities, they love surfing, water sports. Okay, uh some of these are like, they are associated with environmental and climatic changes. Okay, associated with the organizations that like to bring environmental and climatic changes. That's what I'm getting over here. Some of them are associated with dogs orphanage or pets orphanage. That's what I'm getting. I see a special inclination towards nature. Okay, and profession wise, I see a wide variety of profession over here. Okay, this person may be doing something online. Whatever they are doing in a very secretive manner. Not many people know about it, but if they have a YouTube channel, it's a very very popular one. They are not showing their face, but it's a very popular one. Okay, and they're really earning very good. And this person is, whatever they're doing it in a hidden manner, because they don't they know that people always try to snatch away things from them. Okay, so they make sure that they keep their agenda and their goals hidden. Not many people are aware about them. Okay, aware about what they are doing. This person may be also a gym instructor, a dance instructor. Okay, this person may be, mm, if that is not the case, they love hitting the gym regularly. That's what I get over here. This person likes to work on themselves a lot. They like to do a lot of self pampering. They like to take care of themselves. They are very conscious when it comes to their looks. Okay, and when it comes to their dressing. Okay, they like to remain very properly dressed. That's and it has to be something really outstanding, so people usually give them a double take when they are walking on the road, or whenever they are outside, they grab the attention. Okay, but this person has gone through a lot. Okay, this person has definitely gone through a lot, and they are in the process of healing themselves, but they haven't healed themselves completely. What I'm hearing is meet me halfway. Okay, so this person is going to meet you halfway. Okay, and probably the union that is going to happen between you and this person is going to help heal both of you. Okay, this person is seeing a lot of dreams about you. You may be also seeing dreams about someone, but I don't see that you see a very clear face. Okay, I see that your visions are getting obstructed right now. I see that you see the dreams, but you are not able to see the face. Okay, Taurus. And this person may be also related to technology. This person may be also a healer, a shaman, a doctor. Okay, doing something related to healing. some of them may be into martial arts or military, army, navy. Okay, right, so let's see what is the message. Let's see what is the message regarding this person. What is the message regarding this person? What is the message regarding this person? Attachment. Both of you are going to, this is going to be a very intense connection, let me tell you that, Taurus. Whosoever this person is coming towards you, most likely I feel that this is a person that you haven't met. This is a new person that you're going to encounter. Okay, you people are going to be extremely obsessive of one another. Okay, to the level that you will become codependent on one another. Okay, it's good to think about one another and wanting to have the other person around continuously, but not to the level where it becomes highly codependent, or not to the level where it becomes suffocating to the other person. Okay, so any kind of anything that is extreme, that is not good. Okay, so just be careful about it. Right, so all right, Taurus, I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share and subscribe and comment on below. Till then, bye.